Why most people fail at life planning. Most people put more thought into planning their next vacation than designing their future. They spend hours debating where to go for dinner, but barely take 10 minutes to outline their life goals. But you are different. You are here because you understand that life doesn't happen by chance. It happens by design. Success isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by becoming the person worthy of it. That's what this guide is about. Transforming yourself in 1 year through a structured plan that touches every major aspect of your life. This plan isn't just theoretical, it's actionable. Over the next 12 months, if you implement these principles, you will see measurable change in your life. The power of a 1-year plan. A year is an interesting time frame. It's long enough to achieve something significant, but short enough to keep you motivated. A year gives you 365 days to build a better version of yourself. But to make it work, you need structure and strategy. A 1-year plan provides a roadmap to success. Without a plan, people often drift through life, reacting to circumstances rather than proactively shaping their future. This plan ensures you stay on track, make intentional progress, and see tangible results by the end of 12 months. Why a 1-year plan works. Provides clear direction. A structured plan removes ambiguity and guesswork, helping you stay focused. Creates accountability. Knowing you have a roadmap keeps you motivated and prevents procrastination. Breaks down big goals, instead of feeling overwhelmed by long-term objectives. A 1-year plan breaks them into manageable steps. Encourages growth in multiple areas. By addressing different facets of life, you create balanced progress rather than excelling in one area while neglecting others. The 7 key areas of transformation. This guide breaks down your 1-year transformation into 7 key areas. Personal development. Investing in yourself to build knowledge, skills, and habits that elevate your life. 1. Personal development. Become the best version of yourself. Your life changes when you change. Everything, your income, relationships, and health responds to your level of personal development. Action steps. Read 1 book per month. Most people read less than 1 book a year. If you commit to 12, you will gain a competitive advantage. Attend seminars and online courses. Knowledge is expensive, but ignorance costs more. Find mentors. Success leaves clues, and those who have achieved what you want can show you the way. Story. Consider Steve, a struggling sales representative. He was making barely enough to cover his bills until he dedicated himself to self-improvement. He read books on negotiation, attended workshops, and found a mentor. Within a year, his income doubled, and his confidence soared. 2. Financial growth. Build wealth with purpose. Money isn't just about wealth. It's about who you become in the process of earning it. Your plan must include action steps. Develop multiple income streams. Relying on one source is risky. Save consistently. Start with 10% of your income and increase it quarterly. Invest wisely. Let your money work for you. Research investment strategies and set clear goals. Story. Lisa, a schoolteacher, started saving 10% of her paycheck and investing in index funds. Over time, she built a financial cushion that allowed her to travel and retire early. 3. Health and vitality. Prioritize your energy. Many people sacrifice their health for wealth, only to spend later years trying to buy back their well-being. Your plan must include action steps. Follow a healthy eating plan. Identify what to eat more and less of. Exercise regularly. Choose an activity you enjoy. Prioritize rest. Schedule sleep, vacations, and downtime. Story. Mike worked 80-hour weeks but ignored his health. A near heart attack forced him to change. A year of better habits made him feel younger and more productive. 4. Relationships. Strengthen, limit, and expand. Relationships either propel you forward or hold you back. Action steps. Strengthen positive relationships. Invest time in those who uplift you. Limit negative influences. You don't have to cut people out, but you can control their impact. Expand your network. Join new groups and meet like-minded individuals. Story: Sarah realized her social circle was keeping her stagnant. She joined an entrepreneurs group, met her future business partner, and started a successful company. 5. Career development: elevate your professional life. Your job pays the bills, but your career builds your legacy. Action steps: develop new skills, identify and master what will make you more valuable, expand your industry knowledge, read publications, attend conferences, and stay informed. Network intentionally. Who do you need to meet to advance? Story: Tom was stuck in middle management. He took online courses in leadership, started networking, and within a year, he landed an executive role. 6. Spiritual growth: find inner peace and purpose. Your spiritual well-being affects everything else. Action steps: schedule reflection time, meditate, pray, or journal. Study spiritual teachings, read philosophical or religious texts, engage in community, find groups that align with your beliefs. Story: Maria felt lost until she joined a meditation group. A year later, she had newfound clarity and confidence. 7. Contribution: give back to elevate yourself. Success is empty without impact. Action steps: identify causes you care about, decide how to contribute time, money, or skills, set measurable goals. How many people will you help? Story: David, a retired engineer, started mentoring young professionals. The joy of giving back became his most fulfilling achievement. Implementation: turning plans into reality. A plan is useless without execution. To transform your vision into tangible results, you need a system of implementation. The following strategies will help ensure continuous progress and sustained motivation throughout the year. 1. Daily review: reinforce your goals every morning. Dedicate at least 10 minutes each morning to reviewing your goals. This keeps them fresh in your mind and helps you make conscious decisions aligned with your objectives. Steps for effective daily review: read your top 3 goals aloud to reinforce them mentally. Visualize yourself successfully achieving each goal. Identify one key action to take that day to move closer to your goal. Write down any insights or adjustments based on recent progress. 2. Weekly planning: structure your success every Sunday. Dedicate an hour every Sunday to plan your upcoming week. Weekly planning ensures that your daily actions align with your long-term goals and prevents aimless drifting. Steps for effective weekly planning: review your one-year plan and assess progress. Set 3-5 key objectives for the upcoming week. Schedule specific time slots for each priority task. Identify potential obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them. Reflect on the previous week's successes and areas for improvement. 3. Monthly evaluation: measure and adjust. At the end of each month, conduct a structured evaluation of your progress. This step allows you to make necessary adjustments and stay on track. Steps for effective monthly evaluation: review the past month's accomplishments and setbacks. Identify patterns that contribute to success or failure. Adjust goals if necessary based on current progress. Recommit to specific objectives for the next month. 4. Quarterly deep dives: refine your strategy every 3 months. Every 3 months, perform a more in-depth analysis of your progress. This is where you can make significant changes to your plan if needed. Steps for effective quarterly reviews: evaluate all 7 key areas of your plan: personal development, financial growth, health, relationships, career, spiritual growth, contribution. Identify any areas where you have fallen behind and develop action plans to regain momentum. Celebrate achievements and reward yourself for milestones reached. Set new stretch goals for the next quarter to maintain continuous growth. 5. Accountability partner: stay on track with support. One of the most powerful ways to ensure follow-through is by having an accountability partner. This person will help you stay committed and challenge you when motivation fades. How to choose and work with an accountability partner: select someone who is reliable and committed to personal growth. Schedule regular check-ins weekly or bi-weekly to discuss progress. Share your wins and struggles openly. Encourage and challenge each other to maintain momentum. Conclusion: making success a habit. Turning a one-year plan into reality requires more than motivation, it requires discipline and consistency. By incorporating daily reviews, weekly planning, monthly evaluations, quarterly deep dives, and accountability partnerships, you create a structured system that ensures ongoing progress. Your plan isn't just about achieving goals, it's about transforming into the person capable of sustaining long-term success. Implement these steps with dedication, and by the end of the year, you'll look back and realize just how much you've accomplished. Overcoming obstacles. Even the best plans encounter challenges. The key is knowing how to navigate and overcome them effectively. Here are the most common obstacles and how to handle them. Obstacle 1. Inconsistency. Build strong habits and use success triggers. Many people start with enthusiasm but fail to sustain momentum. To stay consistent, build habits that reinforce your goals. Strategies to overcome inconsistency. Identify small, daily actions that align with your long-term goals. Use success triggers, such as setting your gym clothes out the night before a workout. Implement a reward system to keep motivation high. Obstacle 2. Negative environment. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment has a significant impact on your success. If you're surrounded by negativity, it will be harder to maintain momentum. Strategies to overcome a negative environment. Seek out mentors, masterminds, and groups that support your growth. Limit time spent with individuals who drain your energy or discourage your goals. Create a personal environment that inspires productivity and motivation. Obstacle 3. Distractions. Dedicate 1 power hour daily to focused effort. With endless distractions, staying focused is a challenge. Having dedicated, distraction-free time is essential. Strategies to overcome distractions. Block off a power hour each day for high-priority work. Turn off notifications and create a clutter-free workspace. Use focus techniques such as the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of work, 5-minute breaks. The 4 seasons of success. Success is not linear. It follows cycles. Recognizing these seasons will help you navigate them effectively. 1. Planting. Laying the groundwork. Hardest phase. This requires the most effort and discipline with little immediate reward. 2. Cultivating. Refining and persisting requires patience. Here, adjustments and small improvements start to yield results. 3. Growing. Seeing results. Don't get complacent. Momentum builds, but staying consistent is crucial. 4. Harvesting. Enjoying rewards. Keep working for sustained success. Achievements are realized, but continued effort is necessary to maintain them. The 5 success principles. These universal principles ensure lasting success in any endeavor. 1. The law of design. Success isn't accidental, it's intentional. Having a clear, structured plan ensures you are actively shaping your future. 2. The law of process. Growth is gradual, not overnight. Small, consistent efforts compound over time into substantial achievements. 3. The law of consistency. Small daily actions compound into big results. It's the little things done consistently that create major breakthroughs. 4. The law of the compound effect. Progress accumulates over time. Even minor progress, when sustained over months and years, leads to remarkable transformation. 5. The law of legacy. Success isn't just about you, it's about what you leave behind. True success involves making a meaningful impact beyond personal achievement. By understanding and applying these principles, you ensure that your one-year success plan not only helps you achieve your goals, but also builds a sustainable foundation for lifelong growth and fulfillment. Conclusion: take control of your future. The next 12 months will pass, whether you take action or not. The question is, will you design your success or drift through life? Your future is in your hands. Start today.